Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Marvel Rivals. The game is not launching. As soon as you hit the play option, the Steam returns you with the same available option. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I highly recommend to go ahead and verify the integrity of game files. To do so, launch the Steam, right click on your game and choose option properties. Click on the option installed files and over here click on the option verify integrity of game files. Once you have done so, go ahead and try to launch the game to fix out the issue of game not launching into the Steam. If this failed to work out, I recommend to download the game using the Epic Games launcher because the Steam version of the Marvel Rivals is corrupted and has some kind of bugs. But if I recommend to use Marvel Rivals right in the Epic Games launcher, this works perfectly and you will not encounter the same issue when you hit the play option. Even I personally use the Epic Games launcher to play the Marvel Rivals. Now if this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, I highly recommend to update your GPU drivers because recently, a day or 2 days back, both AMD as well as Nvidia has released their new driver versions to play the Marvel Rivals. So head out to your browser, scroll down. For AMD users, type in the name of your product. For example, at my end, it is Radeon RX 5500M. Select it and hit the search option. Now expand Windows 10 or Windows 11 and then at this point of time, you need to download WHQL latest releases by clicking on this option which is download. In case of Nvidia, again type in all the product details and then click on the option start search. Now here are your game ready drivers. Make sure you download WHQL version by clicking on the option get download. You can see right in the latest releases, the drivers now support the Marvel Rivals game. So make sure you download and install these latest drivers into your system and then launch the game to fix out the issue of Marvel Rivals not launching in your PC. If my tutorials are really helpful to you, I highly recommend to please purchase any future game right from this website whose link I'll provide you in the description of this video. You can get the game at a lower price than the Steam or Epic Games, and in turn this helps me to earn some kind of commission once you purchase the game using my link. The link I will provide you right in the description. So as a sweet gesture, please click on the link to download any kind of games into your system to support me onto my work, and even it will help you to reduce the cost of the game. Now if updating GPU drivers doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, you need to open the game directory. If you are using Steam, right click on the game, choose the option manage and you will find the option of browse local files. Click on it. I am using Epic Games launcher, so I'll go ahead and first of all open the Epic Game launcher, click on 3 dot icon, choose option manage and click on this browse directory to open the install location. Now scroll down and you will find Marvel Rivals launcher. Instead of launching the game using the Epic Games or the Steam, I recommend to run the game by double clicking on Marvel Rivals launcher and this will instantly launch the game. And if this also failed, the last hope you have, launch the Steam, right click on the game and choose option properties. Here under the general tab you will find the option launch options. From here type in -dx12. After typing dx12, close it. Now hit the play option and this time you will be able to launch the game without any kind of issue. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.